Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to another Sunday morning Model Cars and Coffee, presented to you by Paul over at Left Coast Model Car Builds. So, in this episode, I wanted to show you guys my 1965 Chevy Impala. This is a model build that I built back in 2015, and it's a Revell kit. So, let's take a look here. This is a model that I had painted right before I even learned how to airbrush. And this is all done by rattle can. Such a fun build to put together. All the pieces, the paint, just everything just fit great. I really, didn't have that much flash in this kit. So it was really nice. 65 Impalas are by far one of my favorite cars year. And also the body, it's completely starts to change, getting more into that sportier look, that fastback look before I jumped into the 66, 67. And out of this car, I would say the rear tail lights is one of the features I love. Just the way the lights are popping out. I added the chrome trim around the lights, but obviously, in the real cars, even the red rear tail lights in the light has a little bit of chrome around it. So I wasn't that skillful to even do that back then. And this car, I tried to add as much detail as I could. Let me get a close-up here of the interior. I even used small little pins to simulate the lock right there, as you can see by the door handle. See if it gets the interior there. So no modifications done to this car. All just pretty much, right out of the box, putting it together. I wasn't trying to do a lowrider build. I wanted to go more of the Super Sport build there. Let me see if I can get the hood here off so I can show you the engine. So this right here, this is the bottom. The funny thing is when I was assembling the whole thing, I realized, wait a minute, I did not paint this the same color to match, the bottom. And this is all just rattle can from Tamiya. And now let's flip this around so I can show you the engine here. So when I built this model, I was unaware of message boards, unaware of even, not Instagram was around, but there really wasn't that big of a movement with car models yet. So there was no hashtags, no DMs, none of that stuff, right? YouTube was like the only thing that could connect me to other modelers, to get inspired, just to see things kind of going down in that space and to learn. I figured there must be a lot of information, but early on that's what I was learning then in 2015, jumping back into building models. Further on in the years, that's where I started to meet more people on social media, and everything just blew up. Right now in 2025, it's really big. It's huge. It's everywhere, right? There's a lot of DIY stuff, craft stuff. Everybody's building. Everybody's into some type of hobby, And if you're not, you got to get into something, man. I don't know what to say, but I feel like I need more time. I have too many hobbies. Aside from model building, I have tons of more of hobbies, right? But anyway, this is the 1965 Impala right here that I will keep for as long as I can. And man, so much that I've learned with this kit. And it's just right before I learned how to airbrush and mix paint and all that other stuff, and also before I met a lot of amazing artists out there, before, any kind of scratch building or chopping of roofs, any of that stuff. So I love this model right here, and I hope to build another 65 in the future and maybe, add some more customizations and different things to that model. But I hope you guys enjoy this one. I hope to see you guys on the next. All right. Peace out, everybody. Take care. Later.